Atlas Copco's GHS 1402-2002 VSD Plus pumps are remarkable for how inconspicuous they are. This range of oil-sealed rotary screw vacuum pumps knows how to keep a low profile. For one thing, you'll barely hear them running. The pressure control and variable speed driven motor keep the pump running at the lowest possible level, leading to less noise. In addition, there's the noise-reducing canopy in which the pump is housed. This results in a significantly lower noise level. Such silent operation makes for a much more comfortable working environment. A new GHS VSD Plus is up and running in no time. All inlet and outlet flanges are universal and are located on the top of the machine. This pump also comes with its own inlet filter, and it has its own inlet check valve. How easy is that? This convenient design guarantees a swift and straightforward installation. The GHS VSD Plus truly is a plug-and-play solution. All you have to do is decide where to put it. That won't be a problem either, because this is a very compact package with a footprint smaller than 2 square meters. That makes this machine easy to handle with a forklift. 2 sheet plates. That is all you need to remove so you can reach all the important parts inside the canopy and conduct regular maintenance. Such fast access to all vital parts enhances the serviceability of the pump, and easy maintenance means more uptime. That goes without saying. A silent vacuum pump that will not be a burden to your working environment. An intelligent solution that protects your process and investment. A system with a small footprint that makes it fit right in. Atlas Copco's new GHS 1402-2002 VSD Plus is designed for ease of use.